So here's another little project while I'm waiting on my decisions about the other gauges and the way that I want to route fittings and things. My friend Eric Ehrman over at in our restorations, he calls this the Fang, and I'm here to tell you that's why they call it the Fang, because I have bumped my skull 2 or 3 times on this thing, and now I wear a hat whenever I work on it, and it's got to go. And it's just a safety latch. Not any real weight savings, but I think I'm going to go with the traditional hood pins and posts on this and get that remedied today, maybe. Or, anyways, not liking the Fang. So as far as figuring out where to drill the holes in your hood for your hood pins, I make up a little fixture like this, kind of like a transfer punch. I've compared over here, I've set it up over here, and I think I'm going to like this position here the best. I looked at cars online, Googled Belvedere tubes with hood pins, and found a whole string on somebody's threads there that had a whole bunch of pictures of them, and I think this is going to work out the best. So you just simply lower the hood onto that and transfer the mark. And I don't know if you can see this one here. I've already done the other side. Let's see if we can get it. I can see it with my naked eye. There it is. So that will be the spot where we'll want to punch a hole through. And then just make it just a little bit bigger for clearance and for adjustability. So that's the method. So the pin diameter is 3/8. If I have enough room, I'm going to open this hole up to a 1/2 inch. That'll give me some adjustability. I'm just going to follow these holes that were there for the front seal, which I don't think you can get those anymore. So that's okay. So that's what we're after, is somewhere in the center of the hole. You can do a little bending and tweaking to get it just exactly the way you need it, but this will do very nicely. And I've got the height of the hole set. So now all we need to do is put the shiny bits on. So there you have it, hood pins. No more fangs sticking down to knock the big old scab on the top of my head. And it kind of adds to the nostalgia racy look of the car, and I like it. So there you go, nice and shiny bits. They're dead center in the holes too, so when they close the hood they don't rub or scrape. Okay, so that's a wrap for that video. Just kind of a thing that bugged me a little bit was that fang sticking down, kept getting big old scars up here. So this car, some of the wiring is kind of messed up. The previous owners have done some things, but I've seen a lot worse, and this will be pretty easy to straighten out. So the path forward is under the dash terminal block and fuse, maybe 5 fuse block, and then I got to tap into ignition hot. Some of the wiring in the engine compartment is incorrect, so that'll be coming out. And I've also decided Stewart Warner gauges, and I'm ordering brand new because it's just too hard to buy off a marketplace or eBay. They're incomplete. Missing the light, missing the back bracket, missing this or something. The tack I kind of had to live with, but the rest of the gauges, they look just the same, have for many years. It'll look just fine. And upgrade the wiring a little bit. So that's what's coming down the pike, and look forward to the next video. Please like and subscribe. If you do, I'd love it. If you don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. We're just doing this just for, like, I don't know, journal. So thanks for watching.